Here we're looking at one-step equations, and I really encourage you not to just solve these mentally, we'll go over the intuition, but also to practice balancing equations. That's really what you're looking at here. So let's balance it, and then we'll talk about how to deal with these mentally. So first of all, you often talk about the order operations, right? And when you're solving stuff, and usually you group multiplication and division together first, it's sometimes a good idea in algebra instead to try and add or subtract first when possible. And it usually is a good first step. And what I mean here, you see how it says, and I'll rewrite it larger for you, but it says 20 equals what? Negative 14 plus b. Now the equation in the end should say something like b equals some number, right? That's our target or our goal. Notice here, in order for it to do that, right, b has to be all alone. It has to be isolated. They say it's isolating, right, the variable. Isolated. Okay. So you have to imagine in order for that to happen, excuse me, you have to get rid of any terms that are here with b. In this case, oops, circle, this should be negative 14, right? That term is with b, and we don't want that. We want it to be isolated. So we have 20 equals negative 14 plus b. So to get rid of that 14, we add. Adding is usually a great first step here. And not always, but sometimes. And adding 14 and negative 14, that cancels out. 20 plus 14 is 34, and there's our answer. B is equal to 34. Now intuitively you can solve these, but again, I'm trying to get you to practice balancing equations, but here the intuition is, okay, 20 is equal to negative 14 plus something. What do you have to add to negative 14 to get all the way up to 20? Well, you can think, well, we're at negative 14, we'll add 14 to get to 0, and add another 20 to get all the way up to positive 20. Therefore, 20 equals negative 14 plus 30, and b is 30. So you can think about what you have to add to this term, right? What do you have to add to it to get the result? Both methods work, but this is a good opportunity to practice balancing equations. Thanks.